What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University, and in this video, the journey into native ads, we hit another breaking point. So I put the Laptop Connect native ads campaign live for ClickBank on Wednesday, and literally within 1 hour we made like a $77 conversion, which was great. Then it started spending up until like $300. So we spent $300, we made $77. However, I got this email in my inbox, which wasn't obviously great. It said, "Dear affiliate, ClickBank just received a DMCA letter regarding a Laptop Connect sales video from a competitor. The DMCA requires ClickBank to temporarily close the offer for the next 10 days while both parties work through the DMCA requirements." And the DMCA requirements is basically a copyright infringement on their page. Either the video looks too much like a competitor, they use elements or copy, maybe the same voice actor as the competitor's video, and therefore they take it down. As I've known from other people, as I've experienced myself, this offer converts really well. However, obviously I had to pause the campaign. So the real question is, what are we going to do? I'm extremely busy right now preparing the biggest event of the year, the September Mastermind, with over, I think, 200 students again. So the coming month of August, I'll be really busy with that. However, I don't want to stop this journey. So what I'm asking you guys is perhaps a non-ClickBank campaign, because I have done research, big numbers, I've done Lapti talks. Those campaigns are kind of boring because everybody already knows how it works. And I want to educate you guys. I want to show you something different. So one thing I learned from this campaign was that the ICTR with the weird images obviously was really high. I went from 1.57 ICTR to 3.27, which is almost doubling the ICTR, which getting basically twice the amount of traffic and therefore increasing the profitability once you hit that turnaround point. My question to you guys, we started with the Nutra trials, that was a complete fail. Then we did Laptop Connect. There's about 10 days left, hopefully, until it comes back. If it doesn't come back, if they don't have a new video or where they can't settle the dispute, it might take longer. So my question to you guys is, anything regarding ClickBank, anything else, maybe some dating, maybe something completely different. We go the crypto binary direction. What would you guys like to see for this journey? I'm going to give it 24 to 48 hours. So blast the comments with your suggestions, what exactly you would like to see on native ads to continue this journey. I don't have any clue myself. I thought about it for the last 3 to 4 days since I heard the announcement, but I really can't think of anything right now. I asked my students, some are going to switch to crypto, some are going to introduce the dating. What are we going to do? So put it in the comments. I'll pick it up tomorrow, have a quick look, and then we'll get it going. Thank you. This was the nice, annoying update, but this is the affiliate life. I'll see you guys in the next one.